Imagine something so massive that it could swallow our entire solar system in one bite. Something so powerful, not even light, the fastest thing in the universe, can escape it. Now, what if I told you this cosmic monster actually exists, lurking billions of light years away, silently devouring everything in its path? Meet Tonantzintla, the largest known black hole in the universe, so enormous it defies human understanding. Welcome to Curious Crumbs, where we uncover the strangest, most mind-bending facts about our universe, one crumb of curiosity at a time. Today, we're diving deep into the darkness, exploring a black hole so gigantic that it challenges what scientists even thought was possible. So, grab your seat, because by the end of this video, you'll never look at the night sky the same way again. What is a black hole? Before we face the cosmic beast itself, let's understand what we're dealing with. A black hole isn't really a hole. It's a point in space where gravity is so strong that nothing can escape, not even light. Most black holes form when massive stars collapse under their own gravity. They're measured by their mass, and scientists classify them into three main types: stellar mass black holes, which are up to 100 times the mass of our sun; intermediate black holes, ranging from a few thousand to hundreds of thousands of solar masses; and then supermassive black holes, found at the centers of galaxies, weighing millions or even billions of times more than the sun. But Tonantzintla, it doesn't just sit at the top of this list, it redefines it. The discovery of Tonantzintla wasn't found recently. In fact, it was first spotted back in 1957 during a survey of blue stars at the Tonantzintla Observatory in Mexico, which is where its name comes from, Ton. At first, scientists thought it was just another faint blue object, but later observations revealed it wasn't a star at all. It was a quasar. A quasar is a type of galaxy with an extremely bright core, powered by a supermassive black hole feeding on surrounding gas and dust. When matter falls into a black hole, it heats up and emits light, often brighter than the entire galaxy itself. And Tonantzintla's light, it travels over 10 billion light years to reach us. That means we're seeing it as it looked 10 billion years ago, when the universe was still young. Size beyond imagination. Now, get ready for this. Tonantzintla is estimated to have a mass of over 66 billion suns. Let that sink in. If our sun were a single grain of sand, Tonantzintla would be a mountain made of sand stretching across continents. Its event horizon, the boundary beyond which nothing can escape, has a diameter of about 390 billion kilometers. That's roughly 2,600 times larger than the distance from the Earth to the Sun. If Tonantzintla were placed at the center of our solar system, its event horizon would stretch past Pluto, and then some. Even the light that escapes from its accretion disk would outshine our entire Milky Way galaxy by 100-fold. The power of a cosmic beast. So, how can something that huge even exist? Scientists believe Tonantzintla formed during the early universe when galaxies were colliding, stars were being born rapidly, and black holes were feeding like never before. Over billions of years, Tonantzintla devoured gas, stars, and even other black holes, growing into the monster we see today. Its gravitational pull is so intense that space-time, the very fabric of reality, curves dramatically around it. If you could watch matter falling in, you'd see it swirl faster and faster, heating up to millions of degrees before vanishing into the darkness. The energy released by this process is beyond comprehension, so much that Tonantzintla radiates more light than entire clusters of galaxies combined. In essence, it's not just a black hole, it's a cosmic engine of creation and destruction. What if Tonantzintla replaced our sun? Let's play a terrifying thought experiment. Imagine if Tonantzintla suddenly appeared where our sun is right now. First of all, we wouldn't be vaporized instantly, because it's not like an explosion. But the gravitational pull would be catastrophic. Every planet would be torn from its orbit and spiral inward, including Earth. We'd be stretched into atomic dust by the tidal forces long before we reached its center. And because no light can escape, the solar system would plunge into total darkness. Thankfully, Tonantzintla is located about 10.4 billion light years away, far beyond any threat to us for now. Why Tonantzintla shocks scientists? What's truly mind-blowing is that scientists don't fully understand how Tonantzintla got so massive in the first place. Even in the early universe, black holes shouldn't have had enough time to grow this big, unless something very strange happened. Some theories suggest that Ton 618 might have formed from the direct collapse of an enormous cloud of gas skipping the usual star stage. Others believe it grew by merging with countless smaller black holes during violent galaxy collisions. But no matter the theory, one fact remains: Ton 618 challenges everything we thought we knew about the limits of cosmic growth. And here's a wild thought: what if there are even bigger ones out there that we just haven't seen yet? You might wonder, if no light escapes a black hole, how do we even know Ton 618 exists? We can't see the black hole itself, but we can detect the quasar, the bright light produced by the matter it consumes. Using spectroscopic data, scientists analyze the light emitted by the gas around Ton 618. This light shows us the speed, temperature, and composition of the material swirling into the black hole. That's how we estimate its mass and size, through indirect but incredibly precise measurements. It's like trying to measure the size of a storm by studying the lightning and thunder it produces, and Ton 618's storm is unlike anything we've ever seen. The mystery continues. Here's the truly eerie part: everything we know about Ton 618 is based on ancient light. The Ton 618 we see today might not even exist anymore. Because light takes 10 billion years to reach us, we're essentially looking back in time. For all we know, the quasar might have dimmed or disappeared long ago, leaving behind a silent, invisible giant drifting through space. But its story still echoes across the cosmos, a reminder of the unimaginable power hidden in the universe. The limitless universe. TON 618 proves something profound: that the universe is far bigger, older, and stranger than we can comprehend. It forces us to confront how small we really are, yet how connected we remain to the grand story of creation. Every photon, every atom in your body was once part of the same cosmic process. And perhaps, somewhere out there, another black hole, even larger than Ton 618, is waiting to be discovered. So, what do you think? Could there be black holes out there even larger than Ton 618, hiding beyond the edge of our observable universe? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if this journey through the darkness of space fascinated you, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Curious Crumbs, and turn on notifications, because we have even more mind-bending cosmic stories coming your way. Until next time, keep your curiosity burning, because the universe is full of mysteries waiting to be explored.